Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Coming to you with some suey. We're going to get through the intro and we're going to get right into the chart. Come on. Let's go. How's everybody feeling out there holding suey today? Currently sitting at a price of 85.6 cents, down 0.34%. You may ask, where we headed? Where we headed, Captain America? Where we headed with? Well, we can see on the chart here, we've just been ranging. We come down, we drop way down here. We just been ranging up in here, up there, just ranging. So we're looking for us to come down. We got a 3 drive pattern down here. We wicked way down to 83.5 cents yesterday. Looking kind of for us to make a pull back, go back up, and then consolidate, and then get back up here to the 7-day. We get above the 7-day, work our way up to the 30-day, come back, retest the 7-day, and then go right on up to a little over 1 cent is what we're looking for right here. And if we can break above the 1 cent there, looking to get up here, this area of resistance up here, $1.08. But right now we have on the volume 4.05 million in the red. In these last couple of days, we've had a sell-off, but the sell-off is starting to dwindle down, trickle down. Back over here, we had a sell-off that had 10.12 million. Then we had 12.89 million. So right now, yesterday we had 8.78 million. So looking for this sell-off to kind of start slowing down a little bit, but looking the pullback. We had this pullback right here, and what we on the daily chart here, we having you got this right here. You come down, and you had this pattern right here. You went back up. Okay, once you drop below this pattern, this area right here, you got a bullish pattern right here. You got one right here. You got one right there, and your next bullish pattern set up probably going to be somewhere down there, getting close to this area right here of support, and then bouncing off of this support, going back up, hitting that, coming back, and then, working our way, get past that 7-day, get up to the 30-day, maybe get a resistance, a little bit of resistance there. Come back, retest the 7-day of support before moving back up through the 30-day. So wanted to come back and show you that. And you get back and you look, let's look at the 30-minute. You see this line right here, this green line, this is your area of support on your 30-minute. Got a whole bunch of something over here. Maybe this is where we dropped yesterday overnight, coming down to this area of support at 83.6 cents. So as you can see right here, we come down, we come back up, we rolled again, and we're going to roll again, hit that area, and then we're going to go right on back up. So probably would be a good if you trading this. You wait that we pull back in this area right here at 83.6 cents. That would probably give you a good 10% on this trade on a long. Getting back, let's see what that overall trade would be. Well, no, it'd be 17% gain. If we get through that, just getting back up to the 7-day wouldn't be, but 10%. Well, 10% on that right there. We pull back to this area right here. We pull back to 83.6 cents. We come down, put your trade right here, and then we get back up because we're gonna have a 7-day. We're gonna have area resistance right there. But that's where I'm saying we're gonna get in at right here at 83.6. If it pulls back to 83.6, you'll have a 10%, at least a 10% there before coming back, retesting this level right here that we was back on over here before moving back up, getting through and breaking through this resistance at the 30-day. But our main target to get back to is $1.01, 1.5 cents up here. By the time this is all said and done, which is pretty good overall. Pretty good overall. What we're going is, like I said, it's around 17.5%, and that's pretty good. But right now we're still showing bearish momentum while we're building bullish divergence on this. As you can see, we in a downward trend. Way under the 7-day VWAP, 30 and the 90. But we are building bullish divergence. So if you like the content, subscribe to the channel. Wanted to come give you a quick update on the charts on Suing, great project, privacy token. One that I do believe is going to outperform Solana and Ethereum in the next bull run. So that's my grandson. Yeah, I'm trying to tell him. To buy Sui. You saying buy Sui? Well, we're gonna buy. Okay, we'll buy Sui then. Just as soon as I get off it. Okay, let it drop to 83.5 cents. Yeah, you hear him, y'all. So on to the next one. God bless you.